Hello, and welcome back to the academic reading tutorial. Last time we learned about previewing. It involved looking over the entire reading assignment to get a sense of the text. The next step is questioning. Questioning actually occurs while you're previewing. Again, feel free to pause the video at any time and compare our examples to your own reading assignment. For our article example, when looking at the title, thoughts like, "How is oral hygiene associated with self-esteem?" or "I wonder how school satisfaction is a factor in oral hygiene," might come up. Or when scanning the material, ask, "What was the hypothesis or aim of the study?" and "What methodologies were used?" When looking through bulleted lists, graphs, and charts, ask yourself, what were the findings or results? What variables are being measured? And do they resonate with my initial ideas before I started this reading? And finally, in our example, you might ask, what were the conclusions of the study? But depending on the article, you could ask other questions like, was the hypothesis confirmed? Remember, you don't have to answer each and every question at this point. It may even be useful to write down some of the questions to use later in the review phase of your studying. To understand academic texts, you must be an active reader, and part of being an active reader is questioning and thinking critically about what you are reading. The purpose of asking all of these questions during the preview phase is to get you to think critically about the text you are going to read. At this time, you are not answering the questions. You're simply making yourself aware of key elements in the reading so that your mind will focus on them. You are now ready to move on to Module 3, where you will learn the next steps in the academic reading process, reading and reciting. You may want to get one of your reading assignments and practice the first two steps before moving on.